Malaysia's got a new solar program called Solar ATAP Pay. So what's it all about? Let's break it down. Ever wonder if your roof could slash your electricity bill? Well, a new government program says it absolutely can. Meet Solar ATAP. It lets you generate your own solar energy, use it, and sell the extra. Pretty cool, right? Mark your calendars. The program officially kicks off January 1st, 2026. So now's the time to learn the ropes. So what's the big idea here? Simple. It's a system designed for self-consumption. You're in charge. It's a really simple concept. Generate your own power, use what you need, and sell the extra back. It boils down to 4 simple steps that put you in control of your own energy production and savings. The core idea is self-consumption. Use your own solar power first, which directly cuts down your monthly bill. Okay, let's start with homeowners. The program calls you domestic consumers. Here's the deal for your house. For most single-phase homes, you're looking at a max system size of 5 kilowatts. Pretty standard stuff. Now, if you've got a 3-phase connection, that capacity triples. We're talking a hefty 15 kilowatts. So, how do you get paid? Your extra energy earns credit based on your standard electricity tariff. Super straightforward. Here's the key rule, though. Credits offset your bill that same month. They don't roll over, and no cash back. All right, now for the businesses out there, the program calls you non-domestic consumers, and the opportunity is huge. For businesses, you can install a system that covers up to 100% of your maximum demand. Think big. Now, for businesses, the credit is based on the wholesale market price, so your earnings can actually fluctuate. So, here's a quick side-by-side. You can really see how the program is tailored for both homes and businesses. So what's the bottom line here? The advantages are about much more than just saving money on your bills. And this is a real game changer. You can add a battery energy storage system to future-proof your setup. A battery lets you store solar power for nighttime use. This seriously boosts your energy independence and gives you backup. And get this, once you're signed up for Solar ATAP, you're locked in for a solid 10 years. So there you have it. Solar ATAP is a huge leap forward. The only question left is, are you ready?